Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use your Pure Dating app. So let's get started. So here we can see the Pure Dating app. So we'll just open it once. Okay. So basically, this app is actually not for dating. It's for another stuff. You can understand. Okay. So basically, you can like if you have a direct intention, you can directly go. You can do it. Okay. And to like find the partners or to uh, see it, you have to like pay for the premium. Okay, first you have to upload your photos, then your turn ons, then you're looking for, then click on publish feed. So here you have to pay some money for the week and then you can use it. So by this way you can do it, and it's a very easy process. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.